It's Lex, bro. We're gonna be running up the recap. So yesterday I didn't take a trade. Didn't like how the charts looked. All-time highs, as you know, I don't really fuck with that. So there was no trade taken yesterday. That's why there is no recap. Also, the other video that was supposed to be recap for the 6th hasn't fucking uploaded. Not sure why, but let's go ahead and hop into the video. I'll make sure that they both get uploaded tonight. The other one should have uploaded, but I guess it fucking didn't. So let's go ahead and run it up. So let's start off with ES and news. So news, there was FOMC. That was at 11 though, so I wasn't tripping. So we did get a break of structure below this low down here. So I was bearish on the 4-hour time frame. Now let's go ahead and scale down to the 1 hour. And then we were bullish since we did get a break of structure right here to the upside. So we had a split bias going into the day. So what do I go ahead and do? Mark out our hourly high and low. Cool. We get that 1 hour sweep of liquidity here. And as you could tell, we never got a 5-minute break of structure down here, which is why we did not enter. And if we would have entered earlier, we would have gone completely fucked, as you could tell. So good thing I waited for my confluences, because we did not get a 5-minute break of structure below this low down here. Other than that, we had every other confluence on the 1 minute time frame. Once this shit decides to fucking load. Alright, so basically, since this shit's lagging, we had a 1 minute inverse, irregular for value gap tapped, and a 1 minute break of structure here. Cool. Here you go. Alright. So basically what I just said, 1 minute regular for value gap here tapped, inverse for value gap here disrespected, 1 minute break of structure, 1 hour sweep of liquidity, stops would have been above the liquidity sweep, and we never got that 5-minute break of structure, unfortunately. So that's why there was no trade taken on ES. So for NQ, we were bearish on the 4-hour time frame. Now let's go ahead and scale down into the 1 hour. We were bullish. We did get a break of structure above this high here. Cool. So again, split bias. We are within this 1 hour imbalance. What do I go ahead and do? Mark out our hourly low and high. Now I'm going to go ahead and scale down. See if I can find a sweep here. As you can tell, we straight up just pushed to the upside, surpassing these 1 hour highs, and we never got a break of structure obviously below that. So once we broke structure above there, I was no longer looking for a trade anymore. And that was the trade recap right there. No trade taken yesterday nor today.